Hello students, today we are going to revise the chapter of manufacturing industries. So the most important thing in manufacturing industries is that why this sector is so important for the economy of a country. Clear? So first of all, we must know that manufacturing industries or the secondary sector. The moment we talk about manufacturing industries, we know we are talking about the secondary sector is the backbone of the economy of a country. Clear? And while studying primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors, that is sectors of Indian economy, we have already discussed the importance of the secondary sector. And we are well aware that as far as India is concerned, we are lacking, and there is a lot of improvement which is required in this sector. Now let's come first of all to think when we are talking of manufacturing. So it means that we have to establish industries. We are talking about factories. So the first factor is that to establish an industry, what are the major criteria which we have to keep in mind? So when we talk of factors that are important for the location of an industry, we talk about two factors. That is the physical factor, clear, and the human factor. Human factor covers the labor, that is the skilled and the unskilled labor, right? And the physical factors, in that we count the location, that is the land where the factories or the industry is to be established, then the supply of water, then the power supply, and the most important thing is that availability of raw material in the vicinity of the location where we want to establish a factory. That is, of course, every time the raw material cannot be available to a nearby places only, but at least the raw material should be easily available, and it should not to be fetched from a very far off distance places. Why? Because if the raw material is to be procured from places which is very far off, it means that the cost of production will rise, and when the cost of production will rise, so automatically the finished product, when it will come in the market, as consumers we will have to pay more for it. So it is very important that the location of the industry should be near where the raw material is easily available for that particular industry. That's why we have seen so many times when we talk of textile industries, iron and steel industries, and when we talk of jute industry, we talk about some specific areas. When we talk of textile industries, we talk of Gujarat. When we talk of jute industries, we talk of West Bengal. And at that time also we study the factors, that what are the reasons that these factories are industries are located in a specific area. Why iron and steel is concentrated towards the peninsular India in the plateau region? Because of the availability of minerals which are the basic raw material for iron and steel industry. So availability of raw material plays a very important role. And next we have the good means of transport and communication. The industry or the factories cannot work if they don't have good means of transport and communication, because we need to bring in the raw material, we need to supply the finished products in the market. So good road connection from wherever the industry is located to different areas where the market the material is to be supplied. Clear? So all these factors, and in human factor, when we talk of skilled and unskilled labor both. Skilled labor, we want all the administrative staff comes under the skilled labor, and of course if we talk of the IT industry, then we require skilled labor. Clear? Those who can handle such machines efficiently. And unskilled labor we require to perform manual or to partial manual and mechanical work as in the textile industry. So, in this lecture, we are going to cover that what is the important or what are the important factors which are required for location of an industry.